the meaning of love in the physics formulas. Exploring about the meaning of love, it's easy, it's hard. Maybe, until now no one expert can deduct the meaning of love in a precise and standard concept. I also cannot define what is love, because if it is defined, it is definitely not love. As entertainment material for you, this time will be presented for meanings of love that I have gotten from fellow school children who are more dizzy from learning and copying physics theories and formula. The four meanings of love according physics are as Number 1. Love is a business of loyalty. Friend, of course you know Isaac Newton, right? That's the inventor of the law of the gravity that was inspired by falling apple. Well, the development of several exact sciences in the world. Isaac Newton, a scientist in the field of mathematics and physics from England, has created various theories and formulae that form the basis of the concept or law that we often learn in junior high school and high school is Newton is mentioned law, which reads, every object will have a constant except unless there is a force whose result is not zero working on that object. If it is not wrong to interpret it this like an object will remain silent forever, if not the force that drives it moves, or an object will remain moving forever if there is not force trying to make it stop moving. Now, from the law of motion can be defined that love means the effort of loyalty. If you make love with someone, your love will remain lasting, ghost-rided, as long as there is another style or energy of other love working on your love relationship. So, that your friend love does not stop making because there is another energy. It takes effort so that the resultant style of other becomes zero. And no one this effort is to create a style of loyalty. Physics is heaven of love. Number 2. Love is eternal. Love cannot be created and cannot be destroyed. Love is eternal. This is in accordance with the theoretical physics of the field of thermodynamics that we have learned when sitting in high school, the content of which are about the conservation of energy law. What is stated that energy cannot be created or destroyed but can change to other form. Likewise with love, we as living beings cannot create love and destroy love. If there a professor who can create a robot in the software there as a love program, then this theory will fall automatically. We are born already given love by the Almighty, and we will still carry it after we die. So, just like energy, the life of the death of love is determined by the Creator. Number 3. This definition of love is derived from the formulas of quantum mechanics theory, which from A together with A multiplied F, where A is energy, A is the Planck constant, and F is the frequency of light. Then the formula is reduced to A together with A multiplied F, where A is the energy of love, A is hope, and F is a formula. So, love will be energized if we always have whole formulas at the right size, or in the derivative formulas interpreted as follows. A together with H multiplied F, where A is energy of love, A is property, and F is a money. So love we will energize if there is wealth and money. This is the master version. Ha ha ha. Number 4. Love is relative. Love is something that is not standard of absolute. This is based on the theory of relativity created by a great physicist named Albert Einstein.
4.
This relativity refers to the reference point from which we stand. Because of this theory, love is also a relativity, where the distance between love and hate cannot be destroyed and can change only in the blink of an eye. Okay, thank you for watching. Apologies if there is an error, because here only explain the meaning of the physics formulas in love and prove the physics can be related to anything, and physics is fun.